Hi everyone, welcome back to the vlog. So on 10th April, we reached to Bhagsunag. We have chosen Bhagsunag to stay because of its close proximity to Dharamkot, McLeodganj, and its very stone away distance, closeness to Bhagsunag waterfall and temple. सो भागसोनाग जो है हम लोग इवनिंग में पहुँचे थे एंड after that, taking rest at the pre-booked hotel Moon Peak by Goibibo, we went for a walk into the market, and it's just hardly 5 minute walk from the room, and we could reach to the market very easily. Bhagsu or Bhagsunag, or we call it at Bhagsunar. It is a village which is approximately 2 kilometers from McLeodganj in Himachal Pradesh. It is popular for Bhagsunag temple and waterfall. One can enjoy a evening walk or a night walk in the Bhagsunag market with the beautiful articles. The price for these articles are quite nominal, तो आप लोग आराम से यहाँ से you can buy hangers, you can buy danglers or some other decorative items according to your interest. तो आप यहाँ से ले सकते हैं. Walking straight on this road, we could see the entrance to the Bhagsunag temple. बिल्कुल straight road है from the main square of Bhagsu. तो टेम्पल पहुंचना बहुत आसान है. इट्स अ डायरेक्ट वे, जस्ट हार्डली 5 or 10 minute walk from the main square. So we reached to the entrance of the temple, but it was late, so we thought that we would come here tomorrow or day after tomorrow. We inquired about the opening timing of the temple and waterfall from a localite. And he suggested that we can come here in morning from 7:30 a.m. onwards. So for meanwhile हम लोगों ने सोचा कि अभी हम यहाँ पे वॉक कर लेते हैं. We can see the place and बाद में हम लोग जो है यहाँ पर आ जाएंगे. But the plan was made like this, that on Sunday we went to Dharmshala and visited the nearby places, and on Monday, that is on 12th April, we came to temple and went to waterfall on that day only. Bhagsunag is also called as home of first Gorkha rifle. Reason is 18th centuries में गोरखास यहाँ पर आए थे with Britishers to settle down here in 1815. So we were quite lucky to visit the place because we went there just before the implement of curfew and lockdowns. Talking about the temple area, this temple is about 5,000 years old, and the story dated back to 8,000 years old. This is a water pond that is made here for holy dip. The water was quite crystal clear, as you can see. The source of the water is a natural spring which comes from under the area of the temple. We'll tell you about the story of the temple in the coming video. Now, after having dinner, we were going back to our room, and one day later, we went to Bhagsunag temple on 12th April and to the waterfall. Welcome to a new day at Bhagsunag. So today, as I told you, we will be going to waterfall. The way to the Bhagsunag waterfall is just adjacent to the holy pool that we have seen, and it is approximately 2 kilometers from the temple, and you can easily reach to the waterfall, enjoying the scenic beauty of Himachal. So जो waterfall का name है, it is on the name of the temple, and the story of the temple dated back to 8,000 years old, when in the middle of Dwapar Yuga, god Snake, he got a battle with the then king Bhagsu, who has his capital in Ajmer. एक्चुअली हुआ क्या था, अजमेर में ड्रॉट पड़ा था, एक्सट्रीम ड्रॉट, एंड ऑल हिज पीपल वर सेइंग दैट दे विल रन अवे फ्रॉम हियर इफ देयर प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट सॉल्व. सो दिस किंग then decided, and he traveled for approximately 2 days continuously, and he reached here at the Nagdal lake. This lake was found to be at a height of 18,000 feet, and he filled his water pot and emptied that whole lake with all his tricks and magic. But later Nag Devta, he came to know कि यहाँ पे किंग भागसु आए हुए हैं और उन्होंने लेक जो है वो एम्प्टी कर दी है. So he had a fight with him and he defeated the king. So उनको फाइट में हराने के बाद when लॉर्ड नागा ही केम टू नो कि जो किंग है वो अपनी प्रजा के लिए यहाँ पे आए थे, बिकॉज उनकी कैपिटल में जो है सूखा पड़ गया था. देन ही आस्क्ड हिम हिज डेथ विश. सो किंग भागसु ने उनसे बस यही विश मांगी कि उनके एरिया में जो है रेनफॉल करा दी जाए, सो दैट पीपल वोंट रन फ्रॉम देयर, और वहाँ पे लोगों की डेथ ना हो पानी की वजह से. एंड आफ्टर दैट ही आस्क्ड कि अगर मेरा जो नेम है आपके नेम की तरह मेरा नेम भी फेमस हो जाए, सो गिव मी दिस ब्लेसिंग. सो जो लॉर्ड नाग थे, मीन्स नाग देवता थे, उन्होंने किंग भागसु की दोनों विशेस जो है वो पूरी कर दी. एंड फ्रॉम दैट टाइम ही सेड दैट मेरे नाम से पहले आपका नाम आएगा, एंड आफ्टर दैट only this area was started being called as Bhagsu Nag. So this was the story about naming of the place, and इसी वजह से ही जो यहाँ पे waterfall as you can see here, इसका नाम भी भागसु नाग waterfall रखा गया. Talking about this waterfall, ये जो है 20 meter long waterfall है, and in vicinity there are nice cafeteria next to it, so you can have a cup of tea or a cool drink or snacks, and you can spend a leisure time over here. You can have nice photography. View from here is spectacular. अच्छी प्लेस है, बट बिकॉज अभी जो है यहाँ पे वाटर वॉज नॉट, द फ्लो ऑफ द वाटर वॉज नॉट दैट गुड. सो जो वाटर जो एक्यूमुलेट नीचे हुआ था, इट वॉज नॉट क्लीन, so you can't take a bath over here. Moreover, it was like COVID time, so people were avoiding that thing. So हम लोग भी नहीं गए. We just had some few photographs, and this was a very nice place next to the waterfall. From here you can see the valley of the Bhagsu Nag from where we came. This was really very beautiful, and अगर आप यहाँ पे stones देखोगे, these are like the slates. These stones shine when the sunlight falls on it on the hills. The reason for this might be because of the जब यहाँ पे बारिश आती है तो उसकी वजह से साफ हो जाते हैं, and after that they reflect, and they are made up of graphite. So adjoining to the cafeteria is a very nice place. You can sit here, enjoy the waterfall, the valley, the cool breeze. Life is all about exploring new things. It's about having enjoyment. It's about making peace with respect to your mind. So peace of mind is highly important. uh, so I don't know, but being couple, we love to travel, we love to explore the things, and it gives us unmeasurable peace. And both of us are as equivalent excited about the travel. Wherever we go, we love to travel. Doesn't matter how far it is or how much time it does make. We often make tours or trips according to the vacations we have, and no doubt this was one of the beautiful tour that we had till now. लाइफ, ज़िंदगी, ज़िंदगी जी लेनी चाहिए। मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि सिर्फ घूम कर, बट द थिंग इज़ कि जिसको जो करना अच्छा लगता है वो ज़रूर करे। वॉट एवर पैशन यू हैव, वॉट एवर हॉबीज़ यू हैव, वर्क ऑन इट, डू इट, एक्सप्लोर द थिंग्स, बी क्रिएटिव, try to learn new things by any way, whatever you love to do. So all in all, love what you do and do what you love. There are tons of places to roam, to explore in India, and हर एक जगह की कोई ना कोई हिडन टेल है, कोई स्टोरी है। लाइक दिस टेम्पल, भागसुनाग टेम्पल। तो ये टेम्पल जो है, स्टोरी आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड, जो कि 8,000 साल पुरानी थी, बट ये टेम्पल जो है इट इज़ अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 5,000 ईयर्स ओल्ड। सो ये जो टेम्पल है, ड्यूरिंग द कलयुग टाइम, किंग धर्मचंद जी थे, उनको सपने में लॉर्ड शिवा he came and he asked him to make a foundation of a temple at this place, as he said that he came here long time back in form of Nagdev, and after that he made a place which is still worshipped. Have a tour of the temple, and यहाँ पे बिकॉज जो ओल्ड जो स्कल्पचर्स थे वो अभी यहाँ पे इधर दे आर स्टोलन और दे आर नॉट प्रोटेक्टेड एज सच। कुछ ही ऐसे जो है रॉक के बने हुए स्टैचूज़ हैं जो अभी भी डिस्प्ले पे हैं। दोज डेटेड बैक टू like 5,000 years old. So it was beautiful knowing the history of this temple. That's it for this place. Thank you so much for traveling with us. Thank you.